What if a single invention could transform how we build everything from railways to ships? In the early 19th century, drop forging did exactly that. Using massive hammers dropped from great heights, this technique shaped hot metal with precision and force never seen before. Suddenly, parts could be made stronger and faster, fueling advances in transportation, construction, and machinery. Drop forging's impact was so profound that it paved the way for modern manufacturing, allowing for mass production of tough, reliable components that built the modern world.